Ajay Devgan's upcoming film Maidan has received a new release date. This sports biographical film, which was supposed to be released on 15th of October this year, is now going to be released next year in 2022. Producer Bonnie Kapoor has recently confirmed the delay in its release date and announced the exact release date as well. Maidan is based on the life story of the former coach and manager of the Indian football team Saeed Abdul Rahim, whose tenure as a coach is regarded as the golden age of football in India. Today, we will talk about this renowned football coach and his contribution in bringing plenty of successes to the national football team. If you want to know about the life story of Saeed Abdul Rahim, on whose life the film Maidan is based, and if you want to know the exact release date of this film, then make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we start, hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates from us. And now, let's get started. The film Maidan is going to showcase the golden era of the Indian football, which extended from 1950 to 1963, during which former player Saeed Abdul Rahim coached the team and led them to an array of successes. Saeed Abdul Rahim was born on 17th of August 1909 in Hyderabad. In his early life, he represented the football team of Osmania University, from where he completed his graduation. Later, he taught in a number of schools and then took a diploma in physical education and took charge of sports activities in two schools. Afterwards, Rahim pursued his career as a professional footballer, playing for clubs like the Kamar Club and the Dutch Club. In 1943, Rahim was elected as the secretary of the Hyderabad Football Association. He also became the coach of the football team of Hyderabad City Police from 1943 to 1963. Rahim's first task as the coach of the Indian football team was to train them, who toured Ceylon in 1949. 2 years later, the Indian football team won gold in their first Asian Games. Under Rahim's training, the Indian football team also reached the semi-finals of the 1956 Melbourne Olympics, which is considered as India's greatest achievement in football. He also led the team to win the title of Colombo Cup for 4 consecutive years. In 1962 again, under the leadership of Saeed Abdul Rahim, the Indian football team won gold in the Asian Games in Jakarta. Rahim didn't just identify the potential players but also was able to pick players who he felt had it in them to do a good job as a coach. Rahim's football techniques were as unique as he himself, and he was a staunch advocate of ground passing. He also used to organize events to teach young football enthusiasts some unique techniques that he believed in. With his coaching expertise, Rahim was able to build a strong team of talented and skilled footballers who had the understanding to adapt to different formations. His techniques were admired not only by Indian footballers but also by footballers in other countries. On 11th June 1963, Rahim died from cancer, which marked the end of the golden era of football. Since his death, many coaches have trained the Indian football team. However, none could bring the amount of success and vision to the team that Rahim did. Even today, many football enthusiasts follow his techniques to ace up their football skills. Saeed Abdul Rahim, who is popularly referred to as Rahim Saab, is considered as the architect of modern Indian football. His contribution in making India proud of its football team is unforgettable and surely worth honoring. In the upcoming film Maidan, you will get to see how he led the Indian football team to multiple victories in international platforms. Speaking of the film, let's now reveal to you the exact release date of the film Maidan. Maidan is now going to be released on 3rd June 2022 instead of releasing this year. In the film, you will get to see Ajay Devgan as Saeed Abdul Rahim along with Priyamani, Gajraj Rao and Rudronil Ghosh as supporting actors. The life story of this veteran football coach will be presented by director Amit Ravindernath Sharma, who has given us amazing films like Badhai Ho. We hope you are intrigued to see the story of Saeed Abdul Rahim just like we are, but for that, you will have to wait till 3rd of June 2022. And for now, if you like this video, then don't forget to like and share. Also, for more such updates about films and the Bollywood industry, do subscribe to our channel Bollywood Bug.